Hi babes, and welcome back to my channel. I am Sinolwazi April. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be moisturizing my hair using the L.O.B method using Afrobotanics hemp seed products. So the L.O.B standing for liquid, oil and butter, and some use the L.O.C, which is what I used before this, which is the liquid, the oil and the cream, and some just use the L.B method, which is the liquid and the butter. This is just a way of moisturizing your hair and to make sure that your hair actually retains the moisture. I hope you do enjoy this hair into two parts. Usually I section it into small parts and I twist it or braid it afterwards, but for this particular video I am just going to section it into two parts. Then I am going to tie one part so that it's easier to work with just one at a time. And as I mentioned, this is the L.O.B method, which is the liquid, the oil and the butter. So we are going to start off by using a liquid, which is water. This is just clean water from the tap, and I'm going to spritz my hair with it. I usually drench my hair in water, but for this particular video, since we are also going to follow up by using a hairspray, which is also a liquid, I'm just going to spritz it just a little bit, because as you know by now that you do not touch dry hair, hence we are spraying it with some water first. Then just use your fingers to make sure that the water is really absorbed, or to just help your hair absorb the water. Just run your hands through it. Then we are going to go in with the strengthening and moisturizing hairspray, which has hemp seed oil and castor oil. So just distribute the spray evenly throughout that section that you are working with. And this spray can be used on wet or dry hair, and you can use it daily or depending on how often you do your moisturizing method. So just use your fingers again to make sure that the product is absorbed well. Then for the O part, which is the oil, we are going to use the strengthening growth oil, which has a mixture of castor oil, sunflower oil, vitamin E and hemp seed oil, of course. So you can directly spray the spray on your hair, or you can just spray it on your hands like how I'm doing, to make sure that you don't overdo it. And then starting, at the ends and just making your way through the rest of the hair, you just do that. Be gentle with your hair, please be gentle with your hair. Oh, excuse me there, I'm just having the best time of my life singing singing to myself, darling. And then thirdly, we follow with the strengthening butter, which is a mixture of shea butter, castor oil and sunflower oil. And that's how much butter we are going to use. Then starting at the ends, apply the butter. So the butter and the oil actually seal in the moisture. They are not moisturizers. So what moistures your hair is actually water. So these are now used as sealants, so they are sealing in the moisture. So that is basically it, and you just make sure that the product is absorbed well by using your fingers, running your fingers through the hair. and as you can see, the hair is nice and soft. So I just want to show you the other side that I have not moisturized. I'm not sure if you can see the difference, but if you can look closely, the side that I just moisturized has shrunk. And as we know, that shrinkage is a good thing because it shows that your hair is healthy and that your hair has the ability to absorb product. So as you can see, that side has shrunk a little bit, and yeah man, so that is the L.O.B method. Can you just see how stretchy and elastic my hair is, darling? I mean, come on now.